fucking kill you, X. I will be the last. Oh no! My bird!
Remember the entity.
I know what I must do in order to stop men like you. Rex left me with no choice. I want everyone to remember that. Okay, you all know he left me with no choice.
Why did you do?
Raid, I need you to fly by me. I need you to set off the last resort.
Oh, God, fine.
You gotta get near him though. There he is. I'm about to prove. No, it's me. Don't shoot me yet. We gotta get near him. Let me poop on this bird first. I won in the end.
Oh God! My bird's running around in circles.
Oh my God!
It's getting deep.
Look at his bird! Look at this bird! It's escaping without him! That was too amazing. Alright, with poop on.
No, like you right above it, and it was like this glorious, like, wow.
That was me.
That was beautiful. I want you to know that.
Oh my God, Links! You ran.
This is like the never-ending story gone horribly wrong. Better yet, this is like never-ending story if it was given to like a school of kindergartners.
School full of butt sharks.
You bastard, I'll fucking kill you.
Arguably the best fairy tale of all time.
God help us.
Oh God, somebody's killing my bird. Ah! Oh God, the balloons!
Oh my God, when he comes by for another pass, I'll stop him.
Oh God, legs.
Oh fuck me, uh-oh.
Good one. Oh shit!
Oh my God!
Nice.
I'm sorry. He didn't deserve that. I like how they swoop down and they like have their legs out like they're gonna grab something pretty hot. I like that. It hurts. Why does it hurt? We gotta contain him in the Magnuson device. We gotta contain him. There he is. I see him coming in. If he comes back, I get him right now. Right here, right now. Go! Oh, fuck me. Didn't make it. This flight patterns and... Oh, God! We'll catch him in this thing. Oh, God! Oh, God, get inside! It scares me. It scares me. I'm scared, right?
Down, shit.
literally shit. Oh god, poop incoming. Oh! He's on fire. He's on fire. We've won. He'll soon die.
A lot stronger than I remember.
I wonder if I can catch the Olga. He dropped. We gotta slay him.
Oh my god.
I gotta end his reign of terror right now. Right here, right now.